Today, we're taking a first look at one of the most important independent watch releases of the year, the all-new Voutilainen KV21 Tonneau, a brand new collection introducing a new shape and a new movement from one of the greatest living watchmakers. Kari Voutilainen is a legend in independent watchmaking, a craftsman whose workshop produces only a few dozen watches a year, all of them finished to a level that most big brands can only dream of. So when he unveils something new, not a new dial, not a new color, but an entirely new collection, that's a big deal. And just ahead of Dubai Watch Week, we got an exclusive look inside his mountaintop workshop in Fleurier to experience the KV21 Tonneau in person. Let's start with the shape. The KV21 Tonneau features a 39.5mm by 35mm barrel-shaped case, soft curves on the sides, straight upper and lower edges, and of course, those signature short Voutilainen teardrop lugs. It's elegant, perfectly proportioned, and incredibly comfortable on the wrist. The mix of polished and satin brush surfaces is flawless, and the oversized crown, made in-house, makes winding a pleasure. And because this is Voutilainen, the case can be ordered in your choice of steel, gold, titanium, or platinum. 8 pieces per metal. That's it. The dial is pure Voutilainen artistry. Crafted by Broadbeck Guillochage and Comblamine, Kari's own dial manufacturer, it features multiple hand guilloche patterns laid concentrically on a silver base. You get applied gold Arabic numerals, a beautifully framed small seconds at 6, and those trademark handmade gold and blued steel hands, each one meticulously finished by hand. The dial follows the Tonneau shape perfectly. It's subtle, detailed, and incredibly three-dimensional. Turn the watch over, and this is where the KV21 truly becomes a masterpiece. The new KV21 hand-wound caliber is inspired by the KV20, but redesigned to accommodate additional complications without increasing thickness. It's full Voutilainen. A massive 13.5mm free-sprung balance wheel with rose gold weights, a Phillips overcoil on the outside, and a Grossman inner curve, extremely rare and incredibly difficult to construct. 2 blued escape wheels using a refined direct impulse escapement, hand-frosted German silver bridges, wide polished bevels, internal angles, and 18-karat gold wheels throughout the visible gear train. Every single part is made, finished, and assembled in-house. The Voutilainen KV21 Tonneau comes on a hand-stitched leather strap, and it's limited to just 8 pieces per metal. Starting price? 134,000 Swiss francs before taxes for steel or titanium. But, as always, colors, patterns, and details can be personalized to the owner's taste. This is independent watchmaking at its highest level, a brand new shape, a breathtaking movement, and a release that reminds us why Kari Voutilainen is simply in a league of his own.